Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily use box in Clickup. So the first thing you want to do is just click here plus view, and then under timeline click box. Here you have option to choose a private view or pin view. So now I'll just click add a view. When I have it, I'm gonna find a workload here of the people that are under my, like in my team. Then you're gonna find unassigned, and then you're gonna find like under people, like not done, done, not done, done, and percentage. So you're gonna find all the tasks, right? So business, and then tasks. So right now, what you can find here is you can have time estimate, you would have sprint points, and number of tasks. So you can easily like add more tasks here, and you're always gonna find if they are done, not done. Now what you can do, like let's say I'm in list right now, and you would click like how to grow on business, and I would set it complete, right? Then also this one, and I'm going to have it set to complete. And now when I go back to the box, I can find that it's one done. Like if I'm going to also fill that up on a data dojo, I would have it also. So that's how you can you're gonna find the workload here, the business, the data dojo you, like the people that you're gonna find here. Now, of course, you can always change the number of tasks, and you always gonna find, like if you're gonna click time estimate. So let's say this is going to be 2 hours. Then let's say this is going to be 3 hours. Right? And this would be 2 hours. And I can always like pick the like how much time it's going to take. Like this, right? Not done, done, 2 hours. And that's pretty much it, how we can work with it. So let's say I'm going business here, and I'm always gonna find the estimate here. So that's pretty much it, how we do it. So when you're gonna come here also, you can invite multiple people here and add tasks, and you would like find always in your box in ClickUp everything what you need to. So this is pretty much it, how you can use it. If you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I hope you're going to have a great day, and yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.